Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to show you how you can cheat at water marble and also create this gorgeous summer neon design. Let's get into it. So obviously I'm going to be using Kiki London's brand new gel polish collection that they have recently launched. So it's neon vibes, which only includes obviously the 6 neon colours, but I am going to be putting it over a white base to really make them pop. This was a design that I did over on my Gelulicious channel using these polishes. So if you want to know how I did these, then I'll be a link here. So please go and check that out and subscribe to my channel. So like I said, I'm going to be using the white polish. I've just gone ahead and applied 2 coats and cured that in the lamp. And then you want to kind of have like a little palette ready and just have your, little dots of colour of the polishes that you're going to use. So you want to start off and get a dotting tool and just put a dot in the middle of the nail. Then use your striping brush and you're basically going around in a circular motion. And I don't know what's happened to my brush, but something's happened. I mustn't have put it in properly and it's kind of keeps splitting. I'm going to see if I can sort it out. If not, I'm going to have to change my brush. So basically I am just getting each colour and going round in a circle. You want to make sure that you're not applying this too thickly, because then it will just start to run and move into each other by the time you've got a chance to kind of put the design into it. So you just want to obviously just keep going round. It's in a radial sort of gradient until your whole nail is completely covered. Obviously you need to be careful around your side walls and your cuticle areas. You don't want to flood those. If you go and check out how I did my mani that I'm actually wearing, I'll obviously show you how I did that without getting gel everywhere. It is quite easy to do. And this is far more cleaner way to get the water marble look than it is to do the actual water marble. So I absolutely love doing this water marble hack. It's so cool. And like I say, it's less mess and it's going to last longer because you're using gel polish. So now the nail is all completed. I'm literally getting the striper brush and dragging it through the polish. So obviously I've not cured it at this point. And then I'm coming down in the opposite direction. I'm going to do that the same side, and then basically I'm just doing opposite of the previous line that I have created, and it's just so easy to do but so cool and so funky. So that's the first step, but I am not finished there. Obviously at any point, if you like how it looks, you can stop it at that point and keep it at that look. But basically I'm just going across the nail now and dragging the polish across that way. I am cleaning the brush off each time. It just helps keep the lines nice and clean and crisp, and it doesn't sort of muddy up all of the colours. So are you impressed at how easy this is to achieve, but how awesome it's gonna look? I absolutely just love it. So actually I'm gonna just come in on that middle section. I want to break up that dot in the middle just a little bit more, so I'm just going to work out the opposite direction and do it that way. Then moving on to the next nail, I'm going to be getting some sellotape because I'm kind of doing like half water marble nail. So cut off the sellotape, place it halfway down your nail like so. Then you want to get your striping brush, and I'm basically going to be putting 3 colours on this. I'm just going to do 3 lines down the nail, and then on the other finger where I'm going to do this same design, I used the other 3 colours that I've not used on this nail. So for this one I'm using the orange, the yellow, and then finishing off with the pink. So again, you want to try and apply it nice and thinly. You don't want it going on too thick. And then I'm just doing that same motion, cleaning it off each time and then just dragging it through. So super easy. Oops, sorry, I'm just messing that up at the bottom. And then you want to take off the sellotape And you might get a little bit of leakage like I have, but just come in with some isopropyl alcohol and a cleanup brush and just wipe it off. And you can see it's hardly anything to clean this up. And then you want to cure that in your lamp. Then I'm going to come in and put a stripe of this platinum colour, which is Halo Ring. So it's like a gorgeous sort of silvery polish, just sort of to break it all up and make it a little bit neater. So again, go and cure that in your lamp. These only actually take 30 seconds, which is ace. And then I'm just showing you the other nail that I did. I'm coming in with the yellow. And again, curing it. So with this one, I just wanted to emphasize that obviously this was the one that I did first, and I did up and down first, then left and right. Whereas with this one, I actually went left and right first, then I went up and down. And I think that's the one I prefer because it kind of looks like a little heart. So it just shows I use the exact same colors in the exact same order, but even just where you start off will affect the end result. So I wanted to share that with you as well. Maybe you like that second option more. And then all that's left to do is seal it all in with your top coat. I'm using this No Wipe Glossy, and I've cured that. And then you always finish off with some cuticle oil to sort of put the moisture and replenish your nail from the gel mani. And this is the end result. I just think it looks absolutely stunning. It is so eye-catching. I love neons, proper love neon, like bright summery manis. This is definitely my sort of go-to look. And normally I would apply a matte top coat, but you know what, I loved it so much in glossy, I kept it glossy this time. So let me know your thoughts on this mani. If you decide to recreate it, tag us on it on Instagram. The details are down below, along with the link where you can purchase these fabulous polishes. So take care. Bye.